I started taking 1 or 2 a day, and after a few days noticed that I was feeling better.
And I just want to tell you about my experiences lately with TeloYouth, and it's been wonderful.
A friend of mine had recommended TeloYouth. He had experienced some improvement in his knees and ankles that he had injured, and so he suggested that I try it. So he gave me 2 bottles of TeloYouth.
I was taking TeloYouth because I had trouble sleeping. I had to urinate often in the middle of the night. My hairs were getting thin.
I had a terrible fall in 2022, and I knew my arm was messed up. Went to urgent care. There was a lot of sort of swelling and bleeding in there. I was also starting a new job. There was a lot of stress.
A doctor gave me statin drugs and a checkup for cholesterol, and it triggered a defective gene, and I got muscular dystrophy. Since I have been taking TeloYouth, however, things are getting considerably better.
Why did I do that? Because I am 66 and taking TeloYouth, and boy, do I feel good.
I don't have hip pain. I feel more calm. And a surprise for me was I had circles around my eyes, which I've had for years, and they're like disappearing, which is like I've been wondering how I could get rid of them for 10 years.
I was not losing hair as much as before, and my hair got much thicker and shinier. So I was very happy. And after 2 weeks, I was able to go to sleep. My husband comes back from work, or when he has to go to work in the morning, but I was able to sleep through, and I didn't even realize he went to work or came back. So I'm definitely sleeping better.
Since I've been taking the TeloYouth, I noticed within the last 2 months that weakness is gone. And I would normally favor my right leg or my right knee over my left when I'm doing activities or things of that nature. And I don't do that anymore.
I was beginning to experience some improvement in my shoulder, but I was also experiencing an improvement in my overall sense of well-being, just feeling better. And then something really interesting happened. 13 years ago, I had lost vision in my right eye completely, as the optic nerve was damaged by what's called a vascular stroke. My eye doctor said I would never be able to have any recovery of sight in that eye, that the optic nerve was dead. When I started taking the TeloYouth, after about 3 months, I noticed that I was seeing some peripheral vision in that eye. And now I have recovered about 25% of the vision in my right eye, so I'm very hopeful.
A number of my friends are taking it now, and so I am so grateful for TeloYouth.
The shoulder specialist said he had never seen that kind of spontaneous healing. So I'm so grateful to TeloYouth, and also to my family who all got kicked off of TeloYouth while I stole their stash. It is great to be alive.
So I just wanted to say thank you, TeloYouth, and I'm going to continue to use this product and see what other things it has in store for me.
I am very happy with it, and it has been just a godsend for my health and my living. Thank you very much for listening.